Sist nås vi av nyheten att det svenska succébandet Swedish House Mafia lägger ner. Medlemmarna som arbetat tillsammans sedan 2005.
There was a time I used to look into my father's eyes. In a happy home, I was a king, I had to go through. Those days are gone, now the memories on the wall. I hear the songs from the places where I was born. Upon a hill across the blue lake, that's where I had my first heartbreak. I still remember how it all changed. My father said, don't you worry, child. See, heaven's got a plan for you. Don't you worry now. Yeah.
Starting here in the UK, which is why they're here today. But I love you guys, Dave, these three guys. So for the last time ever in the UK, Milton Keynes, make some noise. The Swedish House Mafia.
किसी शायर की गजल जो दे रूह को सुकून के पल, कोई मुझको यूं मिला है जैसे बंजारे को घर। नए मौसम की सहर या सर्द में दोपहर,
So thank you so much for coming now.